Welcome back to Neolux Autos. You know that feeling when you look at a car and instantly think, yeah, that's luxury? Well, BMW just took that feeling and turned it into a masterpiece. Meet the all-new 2026 BMW 7 Series, a car that doesn't just move, it glides through the future. BMW has always been known for blending performance and sophistication, but this time, they've gone even further. The 2026 7 Series is not just another luxury sedan, it's BMW's boldest statement. Yet about what modern luxury should feel like. And honestly, it's hard not to be impressed. Let's start with that design. At first glance, it looks like a piece of modern architecture on wheels. Sharp, sleek, and refined. BMW has doubled down on its signature presence, that tall kidney grille, the elegant LED light strip that now flows seamlessly into the hood, and those beautifully sculpted sides that seem to catch light from every angle. But this time, it's a bit more than just aesthetics, it's aerodynamic genius. Every line, every curve, every surface was built to cut through air quietly and efficiently. Even the door handles sit flush against the body, giving it that clean, futuristic look you'd expect from a luxury flagship sedan. Now let's talk power, because this is where things get really interesting. BMW is pushing hard into electrification, and the 2026 7 Series shows exactly what that means. You can get it with a refined, plug-in hybrid setup, pairing a silky 3.0-liter inline-six with a next-generation electric motor. Together, they produce a level of torque and smoothness that makes driving effortless. And with an electric-only range that can cover most daily commutes. This car doesn't just drive fast, it drives smart. But here's the part I didn't expect. BMW has tuned this hybrid system for real performance. You get instant response when you touch the pedal, and yet it's whisper quiet when cruising. It's that perfect balance between power and peace, something BMW seems to have mastered with this generation. And yes, there's a fully electric version too. For those who want zero emissions without giving up that classic BMW driving feel, the electric 7 Series models are pushing the boundaries of what luxury EVs can do, rivaling even Mercedes EQS and Audi A8 e-tron in both performance and comfort. Now, here's something not many expected from a 7 Series, improved off-road capability. No, it's not an SUV, but thanks to its adaptive air suspension and advanced all-wheel drive system, this big sedan can handle rougher roads with surprising grace. Raise the ride height, and it glides over gravel or snow as if it were built for it. BMW has clearly designed it for people who want freedom, not just comfort. Step inside though, and that's where the magic truly begins. The moment you open the doors, you're greeted by soft ambient lighting that feels like stepping into a 5-star suite. The 2026 model takes interior design to another level. You've got a massive curved display, wrapping around the dashboard, blending digital precision with handcrafted luxury. There's a new crystal glass finish on the controls, vegan leather options that feel unbelievably soft, and even customizable lighting moods that adapt to your drive. And if you're sitting in the back, that's where BMW has gone all out. The optional 31-inch theater screen drops down from the ceiling, turning the rear cabin into a private cinema. You can stream Netflix, play games, or just relax as the car quietly hums along. BMW calls it executive lounge mode. I call it heaven on wheels. Even the sound system has been upgraded. A 4D Bowers and Wilkins setup that doesn't just play music, it surrounds you in it. You feel every beat in your seat. And with advanced noise cancellation and double insulated windows, the world outside fades away. It's the kind of silence that makes every drive feel like meditation. Now, BMW didn't just stop at comfort, they went all in on technology. The 2026 7 Series introduces the latest version of BMW's iDrive system, and it's more intuitive than ever. Voice commands actually sound natural now. You can say, "Hey BMW, I'm cold," and the car gently warms up your side of the cabin. Gesture controls are smoother, the navigation is faster, and even the driver assist systems are smarter, capable of hands-free highway driving in certain regions. It's not just a car anymore, it's your co-pilot. And here's something I really love. Despite all the futuristic upgrades, the 7 Series still feels like a BMW. The steering is sharp, the suspension dances perfectly between comfort and control, and the car gives you that subtle thrill every time you push the accelerator. It's not trying to be a spaceship, it's still a driver's car, just more refined than ever. Now let's talk about the price, because luxury always comes with a tag. Early estimates put the 2026 BMW 7 Series starting around $100,000, and it can easily climb beyond $150,000 depending on trim and features. But honestly, when you see it in person, sit inside it, or even just hear how it closes the doors, and it feels worth every penny. This is not just transportation, it's craftsmanship. Compared to the previous generation, the differences are clear. The 2023 7 Series was already a statement, but this 2026 model feels more confident, more complete. It's smoother, quieter, cleaner, and more connected. BMW took everything people loved about the old one, the luxury, the performance, the prestige, and then turned up the dial on everything that matters. Today, sustainability, innovation, and emotion. If the 7 Series were a person, the old one was the CEO. The new one? It's the visionary. Calm, powerful, and always one step ahead. It's the kind of car that doesn't just tell the world you've arrived. It shows that you understand where the world is going next. And that's the beauty of the 2026 BMW 7 Series. It's not chasing trends, it's defining them. So whether you're someone who loves the roar of a combustion engine or the quiet glide of electric power, BMW has built something here that speaks to both sides. It's tradition meeting innovation, comfort meeting consciousness, and design meeting destiny. The 7 Series has always been the symbol of BMW's best, but this one feels like the future dressed in perfection. Pause, soft music fades. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button. Drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know, would you pick the hybrid or go full electric with the 7 Series? Because one thing's for sure, the future of luxury just got a whole lot more exciting.